Hi everyone, and welcome to AccountingED TV, where we take on the top accounting topics and discuss it with our instructors. Today we have Mr. Bob Minetti with us, and we're going to discuss cybersecurity breaches taking place in CPA firms and small businesses. And one of the most vicious cyber threats is ransomware. So Bob, as a forensic accountant, how have you seen ransomware affect a CPA firm?
Well, ransomware is a particularly malicious type of malware. What ransomware does, once it's loaded onto your computer, is it'll spread itself through all of your devices and your servers, and then they encrypt all of your information. That includes all of your company information, your financial information, your client's information. Once that information is encrypted, you get a notice flashed on your screen. One of the typical ones out there, they'll tell you, you need to pay a fee. That fee is usually going to be paid in Bitcoin or some other type of virtual currency, so that you can't trace where the money's going to. And then once you pay the fee, normally one of three things happens. Either the criminals, go ahead and give you the decryption code, and then you have access to your information again. Or being criminals, they simply ask you for more money,
Sure.
saying that wasn't enough, we want more, and then they'll keep asking for it until you stop paying them. Or they'll give it to you and you'll find out it doesn't work, and then they'll refer you to a 900 number for their help desk, where they'll charge you $4.95 a minute to walk you through how to decrypt your files, so that they get a little extra grease in the wheel there.
Sure. Something we definitely don't want to happen. So what are some internal controls that could be implemented to reduce our risk of having or becoming a victim?
Well, it's very important that you look at your internal controls. And as you're all aware, in 2013, COSO framework for internal controls was updated, and they added a lot of additional internal controls around data security and your information technology. So it's very important that we look at our information technology, that we have good firewalls in place, that we have anti-malware and antivirus software in place, and that we have good controls over what's being put into our system, who has access to our system, that we have good user IDs and passwords. But probably the biggest way that they're able to get this type of software malware onto your computers is what's known as social engineering. By sending emails or other things with attachments to your employees, who open these emails, open the attachments, download the documents, allows them to download the malware on your computer. So the number one thing that you can do for internal controls falls under information and communication, one of the COSO components of internal control, and that's training. We need to train our employees of what to watch for and how to protect themselves.
All right, thank you for your time, Bob. That was very knowledgeable. And to our viewers at home, please feel free to reach out with any questions you might have about the topics we discussed today, and anything you'd like us to cover in the future. And as I mentioned earlier, Bob is one of our top instructors in AccountingED.com, and where he covers forensic accounting and some classes on cybersecurity. So please make sure to visit AccountingED.com and get even more knowledge. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.